Peppa's Great Dinosaur Hunt. Peppa and her friends are at Grampy Rabbit's dinosaur park. Welcome to the Great Dinosaur Hunt, says Grampy Rabbit. Now let's go find some dinosaurs. Look, says Peppa. There is a spiky tail. Dinosaurs used their tails to balance, says Edmund Elephant. Edmund is a bit of a clever clogs. The dinosaur hunters peek behind a big round rock. Well done, Peppa, says Grampy Rabbit. You have found the spiky-tailed dinosaur. Grrr. Grampy Rabbit tells everyone to listen out for the strange sounds. They might give you a clue about where the next dinosaur is. What was that? Asks Mandy Mouse. It sounds like a dinosaur eating leaves. It could be a hungry herbivore, says Edmund. Herbivores mostly eat plants. It came from those bushes, says Penny Polar Bear. The dinosaur hunters head towards the bushes. Crunch, munch, rustle, chomp. Well done, Mandy and Penny, says Grampy Rabbit. You have found the hungry dinosaur. Grampy Rabbit tells everyone to look for more clues. Look, says Edmund. I have found some footprints. Footprints tell scientists how big dinosaurs were, he says. Oh dear, says Daddy Pig. I hope it's not a big one. The dinosaur hunters follow the footprints to a dark tunnel and peer inside. Zzz. Well done, Edmund, says Grampy Rabbit. You have found the sleeping dinosaur. Now let's go before we wake him up. Where is the next dinosaur? Says Peppa. Can you please give us a clue, Grampy Rabbit? Yes, Peppa, says Grampy Rabbit. This dinosaur has scaly skin and sharp teeth. Mummy Pig sees something big stomping around a volcano. The dinosaur hunters go over to the fiery volcano to take a look. Well done, Mummy Pig, says Grampy Rabbit. You have found the sharp-toothed dinosaur. Maybe we should go and find another dinosaur, says Mummy Pig nervously. Suddenly, George hears something. He leads the dinosaur hunters deep into the jungle. Grrr, roars George, pointing to a giant egg. The giant purple dinosaur egg is hatching. Crack! Look! George has found the Granny Pigosaurus, cries Peppa. Roar! roars Granny Pig. Did you all enjoy the dinosaur hunt? Yes, Granny, says Peppa. And my favorite dinosaur is you. Peppa loves dinosaur hunts. Everyone loves dinosaur hunts. I hope you guys enjoyed this book. We'll come back for the new storybook very, very soon. Till then, bye.